Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am your mathematics teacher. My name is Naila Hayat. I hope you are enjoying your summer vacation. Today our topic is whole number, which we will discuss. We have taught in the previous lecture, and now in whole number we will cover the subtopic of ascending order and descending order. What is ordering? Ascending and descending ordering means to arrange the number in the sequence. Like when we write some numbers and when we have some numbers, then how we arrange these numbers. In ascending order, it is the best example of to move upward. When we move upward from the stairs, it is the example of ascending order. We will start from the smallest number and then we have put the smallest number in first and then after move forward up to the greatest number. In descending order, what is the descending order? It is the best example when we move downward from the stairs, then like in upstairs we have put the greatest number and then come forward to the smallest number. I am writing some numbers here like 13, 41, 23. What is the smallest number in these given numbers? Definitely this is 13. Where we put this 13? In ascending order, we put 13 in the first number, the first line, like 13. So 13 has been written. Now the two numbers have left, 41 and 23. What is the other smallest number in 41 and 23? Definitely it is 23. Then we put 23 above to 13 like this. After 23, the first number, the last number has left, 41. It is the greatest number in these three numbers. This is 41. Now we will discuss these numbers in the descending order. How to put these numbers in descending order. Then we start from the greatest number. Definitely 41 is the greatest number. Then we will put 41 here because it is the greatest number. Then after 41, which one number is the smallest in these numbers? 13 and 23. Which is the second greatest number? Like this is 23. So we put 23 here and then after the last number is 13. There is the major difference. We start in ascending order from the smallest number and in descending order we will start from the greatest number. Now open book page number 43. There is the topic ordering numbers. Ordering number means putting them in a sequence. This could be ascending, which means arranging them from the smallest to the greatest number, smallest to the largest. It could be descending, like, which means arranging them from the largest to the smallest number, largest to the smallest. Now move up to the exercise 1.10. There are some example of ascending and descending order. We will do this exercise here like in 14, 4, 84, 24, 44. Write these number in ascending order, means the smallest number is the first and then we move up to the greatest number. What is the smallest number? The 4 is the smallest number. Then after 14, then 24, then 44 and the greatest number is 84, which we will put in the last. This is the arranging of number in ascending order. Then after Write these numbers in the descending order. Like we will put the greatest number here, 74, 8, 84, 98, 41. Which is the greatest number? The greatest number is 98. So we will write 98 first. Then after 84 is the greatest, 84, then after 74, then 41, and the smallest number is 8. Now student, do this exercise on your book, page number 45, and practice these questions.